guys, it's me, Nikki.
Hello guys, it's me, Mika, and welcome back to my channel. If that intro sounded familiar, well, it probably is just because it's Nikkie Tutorials intro. And as you probably saw by the title, you know what we're doing, and today I'm gonna attempt to follow a Nikkie Tutorials makeup look. And I chose one of my most favorite looks she has done recently, and it's also super mega complicated, but I'm going to try to follow the queen's technique. I tried to gather all my shadows that I need, and basically I end up with like 5 palettes. So this is definitely gonna be interesting. This challenge has been going on around YouTube very recently, and it's still going on, and I think it's a really interesting thing to do. It's a really nice way to challenge yourself, and I'm definitely gonna challenge myself today. I am a bit scared because I'm most probably gonna fail, but I'm gonna stay positive till the end. I do wanna add a disclaimer that I don't have mostly none of the products she actually uses. I'm going to do a more affordable tutorial on that specific look. And yeah, okay, before moving in, please subscribe to my channel before you leave so you don't miss out on any videos I put out every week. And let's just jump into the video.
So today for priming, I want to be a true Instagram legend, so I'm going to be priming using the Farsali Unicorn Essence.
Okay, so I don't have the Farsali Unicorn Essence, but I am going to try to be as close to an Instagrammer makeup type of a person. And I am gonna apply this vitamin E serum in oil from Body Shop, and I am going to apply it. Oh my god, why would people... Oh, this is so
it's
not
still going
nice.
in my mouth.
So I feel unique. Why would people do this? I'm not gonna use a brush just because I think that using my hands will make the oil go into my face better. Oh, wait. Ooh, but it's so drippy. Why would you do that? I mean, yeah, I guess for Instagram views. I wonder if any of these people who do this on Instagram, if they actually use this technique of dropping oil on your face in day-to-day life. Like, I'm really curious to know. Okay, now that we're oily and shiny, let's see what next.
Then to mattify my T-zone area, drops. This right here is a oil control product.
I don't have a need for oil control because I am very dry and I don't get oily anywhere, so we're gonna skip that.
For foundation today, I'm using a brand new one that I've never tried before. This is Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation.
The Laura Mercier Ultra Long Wear Foundation that I don't have is super mega full coverage, so I am going to take my most full coverage foundations, which is the Milani Conceal and Perfect, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and I'm gonna mix those in and apply them to my face. The thing that bothers me by now is the fact that we're not gonna apply any color correcting things under my eyes, and that actually hurts my soul. But for the sake of today's challenge, I am going to skip that, and I am going to try my best to do Nikkie justice when applying foundation. Well, I never actually apply my concealer with a brush, but we are not doing my technique today, so I am gonna use a brush. I don't even have a concealer brush. I'm gonna find something as close to that as possible. Well, this feels weird. I don't like how this looks. Well, because I'm not using the right brush, this is not looking very pretty. But thanks God, she is finishing the applying of concealer with a blending sponge. So that will probably save me. Now I'm gonna set my under eyes. Okay, so now she did her eyebrows off camera, so I am going to do that and be right back. Well, I'm back with those brows done. I tried to achieve as much as possible that Nikkie very cut, sharp brow look. Didn't come out that way very much, but well, tried.
First, I'm gonna prime my eyelid using the Select Cover Up Concealer by MAC.
Well, I don't have that MAC Select Cover Up Concealer, but I am going to take what I have on hand. Oh my god, I covered my lashes. Fuck.
The first shade I'm going in with is by the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and it's the Fiery Orange.
I don't have that exact palette and shade accordingly, but my most close fiery orangey is the Morocco eyeshadow from Makeup Geek, and I'm gonna try to pack it on the way she did. I don't usually use this kind of technique, but I might as well try. Okay, I'm gonna stop being afraid and I'm gonna just go in.
And I'm applying this into the crease using a Zoeva 227 brush. And go ahead and buff and blend that out big.
Well, it's not going as planned or as I hoped it would, but I'm hoping for the best still. Well, I'm looking crazy as yes, okay, let's move on.
Once that is applied, I go in with the yellow and apply it just a little bit above as a softer transition.
Okay, so I'm going to take NYX's yellow shadow.
And doing so on a MAC 221 brush. And you definitely want to keep your brush very soft to the skin. So don't put too much pressure on it, just very small feathery strokes. This is one of those looks that looks atrocious till the very last step, which is lashes. So if at any point you are recreating this look and you're like, oh my god, what is this nonsense? Wait till the very end, don't give up, apply the lashes, and boom! Same palette going in with the purple, and because we have applied the orange, the purple is not gonna grip onto the lid as much as you would do it on a clean base.
I don't have that kind of purple. I searched and I looked, but I am going to try and find the closest purple I own to what Queen Nikkie is using. I found one and I am going to be using Delectable from the Sweet Peach, which is this color right here. Well, at this moment I am praying even harder because I don't know what to expect out of this.
So for this first portion, it's gonna look very, very messy, but then we're gonna fix it a couple moments later. I'm basically using the purple as the next transition step for the darkest color on the lid.
I look insane right now. I just look insane.
Okay, on the outer and inner corner of the lid, I'm going into the Juvia's Place Magic Palette, and I want to go in with this shade right here, and I'm applying it right there.
Okay, so at least this shade I actually own, so it's this shade called Iffy from the Magic palette from Juvia's.
But because we have lost all stickiness from applying the shadow over top of the base, I'm reapplying a bit of that concealer to get the stickiness back for maximum coverage.
Is this how it's supposed to look? Why doesn't mine look this intense? It's the same shadow, come on. Okay. When I thought it couldn't get any harder, I pressed play and I saw it can.
Now I'm cutting the lid using a little bit of that same concealer, and I'm doing a spotlight smoky eye, so it's just focused on the center.
I have nothing to say in my defense. I do have that same shade she's using next, and that's the shade right here.
So going on this outer portion here, blending it in. And also on the inner portion here, and also blending that. And now this look is finally starting to come together. It looked like a very hot mess all this time, but now we can see something coming to the horizon.
Okay, now the glitter part. I don't know how this look turned into drag so quickly, but it is what it is. Well, my lashes are covered in holographic glitter. I think it's enough close-up for today.
Quickly highlighting my brow bone. And highlighting my inner corners using an icy blue highlighter shade.
Okay. I'm still hoping that somehow I'm gonna save this look, but I am a pragmatic, so I know it's just a hope. Okay, now she's gonna put lashes, but I cannot just let this look be like this. And I'm gonna take a brush and a bit of concealer just to try and clean out just a bit the sides of this eye. I mean, you know it's needed. Okay, so this is why your girl right here is usually going and doing her eyes first and then face makeup, just because if you need to clean it out, which I usually do, oh my god, I look crazy, then it's better to have a clean canvas underneath. It's much easier. I just look drag. Oh my god, I can't look in the viewfinder. I look crazy. But let's put those lashes and be done. Well, I have my lashes on, and yes, it did not help. Before moving into finishing the face, I want to say that I got carried away. This is my mistake. So my crease is naturally here, but I somehow, I don't know, I got carried away, okay? I am going to make a promise here on the record that I am going to retry this makeup look. Probably not even gonna film it, but just gonna retry to do it and do it on my actual eye, and I promise it will look better. But I am going to post this one just because that's the truth. This is what happened. I don't have 8 years of experience. I mean, it's not even, I don't have an explanation. I just got carried away. It looks so weird. It looks like I have, it looks drag. It looks a bit drag, but it's fine. It's fine. Because my camera died, I had to charge it, and I did one side off camera, but let's do the other one. Okay, so she's using a very warm bronzer, so I'm going to take Yara and she's using an angled brush, and that's what we're gonna do. If Mama Nick is doing it, I am doing it too. Okay, and she's going very high up with her bronzer, and I like how her face looks. So bronzing, 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 bronzing. Let's sing together with Queen Nikkie. Bronzing, 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 bronzing. For contouring, I am going to use the Hoola bronzer and just going underneath the bronzer.
Contouring while we're at it. Creating cheekbones where there aren't.
For a glowy brush, I am going to use Zoba, which is this shade.
A nice glowy blush on those apples and working it back.
Da 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 da. Fortunately, I have the same highlighter as the Queen does, and I'm gonna take a very dense brush because as I can see, that's what she's using. And let's make Mama proud. Whew! And glow from space, baby. The nose. She didn't exactly show it, but I know she does this. She puts the tiniest amount here. Oh, I look like a glazed donut. It's so pretty. Oh. Now I'm gonna use the nudest nude I have, and this is the Superstay Matte Ink in Loyalist.
And then to finish for lips, I think it's smartest to, because this is so intense, let's focus on this and not anything else except for the glow. So I'm gonna go for nude glossy lips. I just feel like it will give the most balance. It's a cosmic gloss. And that, guys, is this magical New Year's Eve glitter.
Okay guys, and this is it for today's video. I attempted to follow Nikkie Tutorials video tutorial, and this is what it came out. I will repeat myself. I did get carried away. It could have been much better, but it is what it is. I think this is going to be a pretty long one, so I'm not gonna keep you here longer than needed. I do wanna give a special applause for that highlight. I mean, it's beautiful. Even my little nose highlighter, and like the face looks beautiful. I love it, but the eyes, I have to work more on my skills, and I did choose a pretty honestly, I want to cry right now because I'm very tired, and I went into this video with not very big expectations because I knew it won't look very similar or great or good, but I'm still disappointed. I know I could have done better, but well, that's just life. I think it's enough. Please subscribe to my channel. I promise I'm getting better day by day, and make sure to give me a big thumbs up, and hopefully I'm gonna see you in my next video. I love you guys, and bye.